everybody, this is me, Scott here, your fellow content creator. Then, what? Okay, and? Yeah, so, today, mate, come over here. Cockroach King, come over here. So today, we are doing a video, and it's gonna be whatever the hell, I don't really care at this point. I'm pretty new to, like, content creating. Like, I'm new to content creating on a VR, so I'm trying out new things and stuff. My brain is the size of crap. Yeah, so this is the first series. I don't know if there's going to be a series, but this is the first series otherwise of Blue Monkey and Yellow Mustard. This right here, I'm hosting Cockroach King the 4th. You probably never heard of him because he's a very small creator and he's desperate because he has 6 subscribers. Also, I want to say something. Thank you all for 160 subs. That we are one step closer to getting to 1,000 subscribers. Also, if you give him like, I don't know, 4 more subs, he'll reveal his forehead and stuff. Yeah, it's massive. It's bigger than Mote's. It's fat. Nah. Okay, and also, disclaimer, this game's scary. That's it. Okay. What should we do today? Should we do like parkour or just PvPing? What? Wow. On the hell thing. How close? Wait. Why don't you just search up what happened when you hit the heart or something? Mate, you will never get into there. Like you'll get to there one day, but that will be in like 5 years. Okay, I've also made like a new thing. So I'm pretty good at parkour. I have like a skill. It's like, I did this like twice or 3 times. You use the snowball to boost you up, then you drop the snowball, then you hit on that wall and you get onto the fan. And I've done it. Look. And I did it without looking backwards, it's just quite crazy. This is gonna be like a long form video and then I'm gonna make a short version. I need more proportion. Oh, so close if I just put my hand backwards. Okay, I'm doing one more. Damn it, I accidentally went into the different game. I'm now in. No one, you are. You're broke, I'm not. I'm not broke, you are. Now I have 100.
Literally about to say who has the rocket launcher holder, and then this mimic killed me.
I gotta go to adventure. Bro, you're not in a, wait, no. Never mind. Let me put in my secret code. Yeah, very secret, it's 4 syllables. Yeah, and this, currently, we're not doing this for like views and stuff, we're just doing this for the fun of it. Yeah, I have my money, I have my 457k. Yeah, you have always been broke, okay? You've always been broke. Oh, you want trident or like a ski thing? Dollar, please give me $1. Wait, Josh, you want to go to the thing? Do you want to go to like the ski thing and like go skiing? Bro, these are like pogo sticks. I swear to God, they're like pogo sticks. Look, I'm not even jumping. I'm not even using my hand, and they're like pogo sticks. They're like a cheaper version. Here. No! Right, now you're flashbang. Bro, I was giving it to you. You only need, well, you have to have one. Oh, can I show you something? Geez. If you hold on to this, it will take you straight up. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Do they have a yellow one? When was they get a yellow one? They have a yellow one. They have a yellow ski. I'm gonna save up. I'm gonna save up for the yellow ski. Bro, has there always just been 2 pogo sticks here? Wait. Oh no, you can't grab them. You can't grab them. Wait for me. Oh wait, I thought you know that. Wait, should we go at the same time? Neo, 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 neo. I don't know how to use a pogo stick. How? If you want, yeah, these pogo sticks are quite useless. And do you know how much they cost? They cost more than Trident. No, they cost like 1,500. It's not a lot, but like still, it's very expensive. Like, especially if you want to save your money and stuff. There goes £1 fit. What? Wait, let's go. Let's keep going straight. No, I'll go see the guy. If this gets like at least 100 views or something like that, I'll do it. Okay, I'll do it. Yeah, I have to go to the, yeah, and I am horrified. What do I mean by I'm horrified? I like get really scared easily and stuff. So yeah, I'm just I get really scared at stuff, and sometimes I get scared of like literally nothing. Okay, but Kevin, he was afraid to be alone. Yeah, but if I'm playing VR, I can't see shit. Bro, I can't just automatically hear footsteps. It's like saying you can hear food. Okay, blood. My blood, you can't. What the hell? You can't do that, okay? How the hell did you drop your controller? I'm at the bottom. Welcome to what map? No, this is Ice Age. Bro, the OGs. Josh, before you join this, huh? Yeah, this is the original map. This is what it looked like before you. Like, look, it had like this and like this, but now it has a microphone. Yeah, and that was the original store. This is the original store. We had to grab it out from here, and it was super buggy. Look, so if I grab Trident, it gets like stuck. So that's why they changed it. 10. I'm the king of ice. No, I'm the king of wood, I mean. Wait, is there like a mining thing here? I don't know. Yeah, so Josh, this is the OG map. It's frozen. Yeah, so this is what the map looked like before you joined. It was a long, long time ago. That was like it was about 7 months ago or something. What? No, you don't. Doesn't matter. Just leave it for a bit. It's happened to me before. Just leave it and it'll be normal. You don't have to leave. But you just gotta wait a little bit. How did your game crash? I'll wait for you at the bottom. What? The VR. The Titanic game. What? Oh, also Josh, you know how now you have to climb the tree to get to like the thing? You have to get to, like, if you want to like use the Game Boy, well, you can't use it, but you know what I mean? Like, if you want to see it, back in the day, yeah, they can hear you. Bro, I literally did the code on camera. And literally you just said M-A-M-W. Yeah, you said A, it's E. No, you said M-A. I'm gonna go. What is it? Bro, you know how far away I am from the cheese? I'm back at the ice map! Okay. You wanna come to storage with me? Go into the storage and I'll meet you there. Whee! What? Aha! Wait, Josh! Look! Wait, are they free? Like, you gotta pay 3 gems to get one. How much do they cost if you like? How much do they cost if you sell them? Like, what do they give you? Bro, if these give you like good stuff, like a lot of money, that would be like the quickest way to get money. Oh, the cheese, yeah. Yeah, so yeah, the cheese sells for like $20 and it regens every minute. So if you were like doing this for like a couple minutes. How did you mess up that bad? You accidentally let it off. Okay, how much do they sell for, baby? Give me some money, Mr. I got no money. Bro, it gave you one thing. It gave you one thing. That's sad. Look, it says $1. You got one. Hey, I want, wait, let's see what happens if we get a bunch of flashbangs and we put them inside one of these. What? What? Oh, I want for Christmas is you. Bye, bitch. Vala. Wait, should we do a bat contest? Yeah, I'll give you the bat. It's literally right next to you. It's like, what the f do you mean? A bat. It's right here. Grab your bat. You have an axe. Okay, that will do. That will do. Bro, Steve Harrington had screws on it. Wait a second. You get an extra weapon. Let me tell you, get an extra weapon. Okay, let's just do one weapon. Let's just do one weapon. Wait, see, it's now it's a microphone. Like Look, and like, see, like there was like this area. It's like the couch. Well, I don't even think we had like the sewer. I don't really remember the sewer. No, back in my day, I don't think we had the sewer. If I did, I don't remember it, or it was somewhere else. It wasn't exactly under here. Oh, also, there's like this building, right? So back in my day, we had to like, so the only way we could purchase things, like with gems, the only way we could purchase them is by going up to these VRs, right? We had to go up to these VRs, put our hands here, and we had to get up onto these and put our faces into there, and it would take us to like this gem dimension. What? Oh, I thought you couldn't like mess with these because they're. Hey Josh, I might have broke it. Josh, I broke something that you couldn't break. What are you doing? Yeah, but now it's turned into like. Now you can barely even use it. Wait, come over here. Look, I accidentally flipped over something that wasn't even meant to be touched. Like, you can't even touch it. Alright, but let's do a melee weapon. Alright, but one sec. Wait, I want to see if you can bring items into the broke mode. Bruh. We have to change codes though. Oh wait, no we don't. Wow. We can't bring items. Bro, who has all these guns? Who brought all these guns?
Real box. I thought real box who have it.
Where's the storage machine
big.
Bro, I joined the server. There was like millions of guns on the floor that all had ammo. Bro, that's like as much money as like 100K. What that about to be about, baby? Gobble up and up and shady. Why do I have $864? I do. Okay, I'll spend it right now. Come over here. Look, I can only buy $100 things. Let me find something that's over 100. 121. 4.99. Oh no, I shouldn't actually be doing that. Ah, damn it. Wait, I can sell these and get money because I actually. How? Well, if they knew you could do that, I think they would have probably been selling cheese. Yeah, I think they know that, but I don't think they realize it. But I don't think they realize how OP this is, because like, if you just wait like, bro, it gives you more money than actually in the other game mode. But no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, it's not called broke. Hey Josh, you want to end the what? What? Hey, you wanna play football? Football? You wanna play some football? Arena? Bet. Alright. We're gonna play Dish.